Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So, good morning, everyone. Yesterday, we have started.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Line coding techniques, and we have defined line coding techniques and explained in detail. Also, the classification of line coding techniques, and we have seen we are having 6 properties. We have described in detail, and also we have started unipolar return to zero, unipolar non-return to zero, polar return to zero, polar non-return to zero waveforms. If you are having a particular bit pattern or data pattern corresponding that bit pattern, you have to draw different line coding techniques. So we are in the midway. We have completed unipolar and polar for return to zero and non-return to zero. Now we quickly move to the bipolar non-return to zero. Okay. So unipolar polar already I've done. You study it, and if you face doubt, you can follow videos, lectures, and after that you have still difficulties. You can tell me. So today's first topic is bipolar. So the first thing is non-return to zero. If you understand non-return to zero, so return to zero would be very simple. It is coming midway between 0 to t. So it will be on for 50% and it will be remain off for 50%. Okay, so you better understand the bipolar. Okay, this is having one more name, AMI. This is also called AMI, alternate mark inversion. So that is called AMI. So you take one example. We'll take the yesterday's example. Okay, and that was, I think it was 10, and then I think it was 1, then 0. Okay, then 1, then 0, 0. Okay, so first I'm drawing. Okay, now in the polar case, I want to mention one thing. For 0, logic 0 means no pulse. You remember. So logic 0 means there should be no pulse. And for 1, there should be pulse. But there should be some alternative way. The pulses are alternative, means the first one, if we represent it is plus a volt or positive volt, so the next one is representing by means of negative voltage. And the third one, again it would be using positive voltage. Fourth one, again it would be with negative voltages. So that means alternatively positive and negative. Okay. So the first one, so that's why you draw, this is logic 1, and for 0 it is 0. Again there is a 1. So first one is completed. Now this first one is completed. Now the second one. Now for second one, it must be negative. Again this is, there is a 1. Okay. There is a 1. So that means whether it will be positive or negative. This one was positive. This one also again will be positive. Positive. Now 0 is there. So this is 0. This much portion is 0. Again we are having 1. So that one should be positive or negative? It should be negative because positive to ho 0. So alternatively positive and negative. Here we are having two zeros. So the first 0 and the second 0. So this is the case. This is first one, this is second one, this is third one, this is fourth one, and these are 0. Whose poles are absent, these are representing 0. So if you have doubt, you can tell. This is the way of representing bipolar. So that's why it is called alternate mark inversion. Why it is called alternate marks? Alternate means one after another. The mark mean high frequency 1, that is for 1. Mark mean it is indicating logic 1. This mark mean indicating logic 1. Okay. Inversion mean it will be inverted. Alternatively inverted. Which one? The mark means. That means the logic 1 would be alternatively inverted. So the first one is positive, the second one is negative, and the third one is positive. Again, the fourth one is. Manlo, we are having some other one. Here one is there. So what will happen? For this one, here negative tha, so it will be positive. So as I am showing positive with red color, so it will be positive. Then see, this is positive. Now there is another more one, so it will be negative. It should be negative. This goes on this time. So this is the origin. This is also one. This is also one. So this is all about your alternate mark inversion. Is there any doubt? Anyone? So you can ask me. Otherwise, we'll move to मैनचेस्टर कोड. ओके, मैनचेस्टर कोड में हम जाएंगे. और नॉन रिटर्न टू जीरो के लिए क्या होगा? रिटर्न टू जीरो के लिए क्या होगा? इस मिड में it will come down here, 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 and this portion that I'm showing you, this shaded part would be absent. The shaded part is absent. That means that part would be 0. This part is 0. This part is 0. So that is your the first one is your non-return to 0, and this portion, the shaded area, when it is absent, then in that case it will be returned to 0. Okay. Now, if you want to keep it, you can take screenshot also. Now we'll go for quickly. So this is your third waveform, unipolar, polar and bipolar. So now I coming to phone number position. That is for Manchester. Manchester. Again, we'll take the same beat pattern. Okay. This is not necessarily this pattern is fixed. You can take any one and you can practice it. Okay. That is 0, 1, 0, then 1, 1, then 0, then 1, then 0, and then 0. That was the beat pattern. That was the beat pattern. Now, interesting thing is there. Therefore, think, see clearly, see patiently, keep your patience and try to see. This is 1, isn't it? So, यहाँ पे logic 1 is representing in that way. देखो. This is your time period T. This is your time period T. Now, logic 1 would be some 50% is high and 50% is low. Okay, the पूरा जो ये है, this is how much time? This is your beat duration T. So for logic 1 के लिए this part is positive and this part is negative. 50%, 0 to T by 2 is positive and T by 2 से T तक this is negative. This is for logic 1 and for logic 0 is something reverse. ये क्या होगा? ये फर्स्ट पार्ट नेगेटिव होगा एंड सेकेंड पार्ट पॉजिटिव होगा. ये लॉजिक 0 है. पहला नेगेटिव देन इट इज पॉजिटिव. Okay, so this is the way. If you know logic 0 and logic 1, so these things just you place everywhere. 1, so place this part. 0, place this one. Then again, place this one. Again 1, place this one. 0, place this one. 1 means place this one. 0, place this one. 0, place this one. So this is the case. This is your Manchester. Okay. So now we try to complete it for 1. So for 1, it will start positive half, then 50% negative. This is your logical one. Now 0 is there, isn't it? 0 is there. So for 0 के लिए क्या होता है देखो, negative से positive. So that's why it will be negative 50%, then positive 50%. Okay, that means positive 50%. हो गया. उसके बाद देखो 1 है, so it will be positive and negative. Positive 50%, then negative 50% हो गया. फिर 1 है, so it will go up. क्या होगा 1 के लिए? पॉजिटिव 50%, नेगेटिव 50%. ये हो गया. फॉर बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग आई एम शोइंग द single period. Okay, to make you understand in a better way. Okay, तो ये क्या था, फ्रॉम दिस टू दिस पूरा टाइम पीरियड, this is time period, this is पूरा time period, this is also पूरा time period. So this is representing 1, this is representing 0, this is representing 1, this is representing 1. Okay. ना देखो 1 0 1 1 बन गया, उसके बाद क्या है 0 है। सो मान लो और एक टाइम पीरियड यहाँ पे है, I am showing you minutely and clearly, there is no hesitation. ना देखो 0 है, 0 के लिए मैंने क्या बोला था, 50% नेगेटिव देन 50% पॉजिटिव हो गया। 1 है, 1 के लिए मैंने क्या बोला था, 50% पहले पॉजिटिव होगा देन नेगेटिव होगा, हो गया। ये 0 ये 1 बन गया, फिर भी 0 है, सो 50% नेगेटिव 50% पॉजिटिव हो गया। उसके बाद फिर 0 है, सो 50% नेगेटिव 50% पॉजिटिव, so again it is 0, बोलो I have done it. Thing is that you remember, ये जो मैंने बेसिक थिंग सिखाया तुमको, ये जो चीज, ये अच्छा से ध्यान से देखो। लॉजिक 1 एंड लॉजिक 0 हम कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे, ठीक है। ये भी तुम्हारा टाइम पीरियड कितना था, टाइम पीरियड टी पूरा, so t/2 negative, t/2 positive for logic 0, and for logic 1 t/2 from 0 to t/2 half पॉजिटिव हाफ नेगेटिव, हाफ पॉजिटिव पहले होगा हाफ नेगेटिव नेक्स्ट होगा लॉजिक 1 के लिए। लॉजिक 0 के लिए ऑपोजिट, दैट मींस पहले पार्ट पहला 50% पहला 50% नेगेटिव, दूसरा 50% पॉजिटिव। सो नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव हम लिख दिया, एंड इसी को हम यहाँ पे बैठाया है, ठीक है। टाइम पीरियड टाइम पीरियड टाइम पीरियड टाइम पीरियड करते करते अच्छा से हम दिखाया, ओके। सो दिस इज द केस। बोलो कुछ डाउट है तो बोलो, नहीं तो हम और एक लाइन कोडिंग टेक्निक है उसी से हम चले जाएंगे, दैट इज फॉर पोलर क्वाटरनरी, पोलर क्वाटरनरी। Okay, so monosomatic लक्षण, that means you don't have any doubt. बोलो फिर से, कुछ डाउट है तो बोलो, नहीं तो हम 5 नंबर में चले जाएंगे पोलर क्वाटरनरी में। है डाउट? नहीं है ना?
नो सर।
थैंक यू। तो ये था तुम्हारा यूनिपोलर हो गया, पोलर हो गया, बाइपोलर हो गया, मैनचेस्टर हो गया। नाउ द लास्ट वन इज पोलर क्वाटरनरी। So in this case, we are having 4 levels. Previously, we have seen that, okay, in the unipolar cases में लॉजिक 1 लॉजिक 0 था, पोलर में पॉजिटिव वोल्टेज नेगेटिव वोल्टेज, सो 2 लेवल था। बाइपोलर में 3 लेवल था, क्या क्या था, प्लस भी था, माइनस भी था और जीरो था। लॉजिक जीरो के लिए जीरो एंड ऑल्टरनेटिव भी 1 के लिए प्लस भी माइनस भी था, 3 लेवल था। ओके, एंड क्वार्टरनल के लिए 4 लेवल्स होगा। ठीक है, 4 लेवल्स होगा, क्योंकि यहाँ पे इन दिस केस वी विल मेक ए पेयर ऑफ बिट्स। मान लो तुम्हारे पास क्या था, 1 0, पहले हम लिखते हैं 1 1, फिर क्या था, 0 था, है ना। देन फिर क्या था, 1 था, फिर क्या था, 0 था। ओके, so in this case we will arrange them in a pair. So this is one pair, this is your one pair, this is your one pair, this is your one pair. Okay, so you have to make a couple of bits. Okay, so join together and make a one couple. So that is 0 0 means 0, this is 0 1 means 1, so 1 1 means 3 in binary to decimal, and 1 0 means it's a 2. So as we are joining together 2 bits, so we should have 4 levels. Okay, so level क्या क्या level है, level हम तुमको दिखाते हैं। 3a, if amplitude is a, so it should be 3a by 2. Then दूसरा होगा plus a by 2, तीसरी होगा minus a by 2, and the last one fourth होगा minus 3a by 2. जैसे यहाँ पे था प्लस ए माइनस ए 0. So in this case we are having these 4 levels. So now which one for what? This is for your to see minutely clearly. देखो ये होगा 0 0 के लिए, that level is for 0 1. Beautiful. And this one, this for 1 0, and this for 1 1. मैंने बोल दिया 0 0 के लिए कौन सा लेवल होगा, 0 1 के लिए कौन सा लेवल होगा, 1 0 के लिए कौन सा लेवल होगा, 1 1 के कौन सा लेवल होगा. So very clear. Now let us start to draw the figure. Okay. So first you draw the scale. Okay. This is one level, this is second level, this is third level, this is fourth level. Okay. See clearly. ये लास्ट लेवल के -3/2, ये हो जाएगा -3a/2, ये होगा -a/2, ये होगा +a/2, ये होगा 3 + 3a/2. Okay. Now this is one cycle, this is one time period, this is just you scale down it, divide the scale, this is one. The first क्या है बोलो, पहला पार्ट क्या है बोलो, first one बोलो, anyone from your side, I want to hear your voice, anyone. First part क्या है, ज्योति है इधर, ज्योति चौबे, हरी ज्योति, या पहला जो था वो चला गया, नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम था, फिर से ड्रॉ करना होगा. हाय राम. So 1 0, 1 1 0 1 0 0 ऐसा था। नाउ मूव क्विकली, ये -3a/2 -a/2 +a/2 और ये लास्ट वन होगा +3a/2। just to divide it, okay. Now see the first one 1 0, the second one 1 1, the third one 0 1 and the last one 0 0. तो पहला क्या है, just change the color for better understanding. So 1 0 1 0 means कौन सा लेवल होगा, मैंने यहाँ पे लिख दिया था पहला स्लाइड में। 1 1 means
A/2
हाँ बोलो,
सर A/2
a/2 ये होगा a/2। सो इसी से शुरू होगा, है ना। ये माउस है बाबू, इसलिए थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, माउस ठीक से चल नहीं रहा है, ये वाला है। और यू कैन से दैट अप टू दिस यू कीप हियर, वन टाइम पीरियड हो गया। उसके बाद देखो 1 1 है, तुम कहाँ जाओगे। सो ये 1 0 हो गया, तुम लिख सकते हो
सर
1,
3A/2
हाँ 3a/2 है ना। 3a/2 कहाँ है, इधर है 3a/2, तो तुमको इधर जाना पड़ेगा। ये और एक टाइम पीरियड आ गया। सो ये क्या है, ये है तुम्हारा 1 1। उसके बाद क्या है देखो 0 1, 0 1 मीन्स कहाँ जाएंगे, 0 1 मीन्स
-A/2
हाँ, तो तुम कहाँ से उतरोगे, यहाँ से। ये -a/2 तो अप टू दिस आ गया। उसके बाद तुम ये जो टाइम पीरियड है अप टू दिस यू स्टे वन टाइम पीरियड। नाउ हियर यू हैव टू थिंक व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट, नेक्स्ट क्या है, 0 0 है। 0 0 मीन्स
-3A/2 सर
-a/2, तो -a/2 up to this। now you down here, ये था तुम्हारा 0 1, ये था तुम्हारा 0 0। सो दिस इज द वेव फॉर्म। वेव फॉर्म क्या हुआ, स्टार्ट हुआ इसी से, फिर जाम मारा ऊपर 1 1 के लिए रहा, फिर डाउन गोज टू 0 1 लेवल, 0 1 के बाद चला गया 0 0 लेवल, then completed। so in this direction, okay, then this direction, then move in this direction, then this। so this is all about your polar quaternary। I think
सर इसमें डायरेक्शन भी दिखाना जरूरी है।
नहीं नहीं नहीं, कोई जरूरी नहीं है। in fact you don't use arrows, in fact you don't use arrows in the examination। I am just showing you just to make you understand कहाँ से शुरू हुआ कहाँ खत्म, इसलिए। so you never use arrows, necessary नहीं है, ठीक है ना। so ये था polar quaternary। quaternary। so this is now completed, we will now go for calculating power spectral density, PSD of individual line coding। okay, Yes. तो बोलो कुछ डाउट है तो ठीक है, नहीं तो हम चला जाएंगे। नाउ आई एम गिविंग यू वन टास्क फॉर यू, आई एम गिविंग यू वन बीट पैटर्न, ओके, up to this clear? Now making clear it. Question number 1 for practice, okay. For this, okay, 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1, you show all 5 line coding, all 5 line coding के लिए you just show। तुम्हारा जो डिजिटल कम्युनिकेशन का जो कॉपी है, मैंने बोला था उस कॉपी में ये जो मैंने पैटर्न दिए हैं, everyone you have to upload it by 2 days, 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1. It will hardly take 10 minutes. If you solve it in your home, it will take only 10 minutes to solve it. So 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1, you show unipolar non return to 0, unipolar non return to 0, unipolar return to 0, polar non return to 0, okay, polar return to 0, bipolar, okay, then Manchester, then quaternary, okay. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 के लिए। अब बाकी बाइपोलर के लिए हम रिटर्न टू 0 नहीं बोले हैं, बाइपोलर सिंपल बाइपोलर ही करो, एंड आफ्टर दैट मैनचेस्टर एंड क्वाटरनरी। सो कितना हो गया, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, you solve it, okay, this is your home task। Now the power spectral density PhD of non-return to 0 unipolar format. So we are going to find out power spectral density for which line coding? Unipolar non-return to 0। तो unipolar के लिए हम कैसे ये represent कर रहे हैं? Unipolar, the logic 1 is representing with positive voltage and logic 0 is with your 0 voltage. So in this case, when we are going for any sort of sampling processes, over there we have seen that except your ideal sampling, which is nothing but the definition we can't use in practical manner, except the ideal one, instantaneous one, the natural or fact of whatever, over there we have seen that after completion of the sampling process, we are having the pulses, so PAM-like signals. So each and every sample instant, we are getting the pulses. That is called PAM in nature, pulse amplitude modulation. Okay. So if you write that PAM signals in mathematical form, so you would have that sort of expression, x of t. So we are summing all the PAM signals, pulses, that is k is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity summation over ak p of t minus kt. So it is देखो यहाँ पे t means it may be the ts or something like that. That is the sampling instant. If k is 0, so that means pt means is representing the first one, that is the pulse, the signal is at origin. Now when k का value 1 होगा, so p of t minus ts or p of t minus t, that means the second pulse. If k का value 2, so p of t minus 2 ts, so वो third pulse. So similarly, in the left side also, whether t k is -1, so it will be p of t plus t. So that means in the minus ts position. So in that way, you can write all the pulses, and if you summing them, so you will get the original signal, the signal xt which was sampled earlier. So that is the xt. So xt is a random process because the signal what we have taken here, it may be any sort of any type of signals. Amplitude may vary from minus to plus infinity. Time period may be from a wide range. So that's why xt may be considered as a random process, and the coefficient ak is a random variable. Ak means here in the digitized case, ak may be either 0 or 1. Okay, in the digital signals. Okay, so ak is also random variable because either it may be 1 and 0. We don't know whether it would be 1 fixed or it would be 0 fixed. We don't know, but it is depending among the time of the signals and the amplitude of the signal. So it is also variable. So ak is a random variable. So that's why we can write down xt is a random process, and is the outcome of a random process. Xt is the outcome of a random process, and ak is the random variable because ak is the variable. So that's why you can say it's a random variable. So we want to find out देखो PhD. So S of A basically. What is the PhD, power spectral density? That means you have to find out S of F. So we are not proving here. If time permits, we can go for proving it. Okay, for the timing, we are going to use the expression. Okay, because it's a long expression, it will take much time. So in this class, we are not going to prove it. If we have some time, much time, then we will go for describing it, proving it. So S of F, F means you know now it's a Fourier transform signal S of F because it is in the frequency domain. So from there was something st. Over there we are getting S of F. So the expression is S of F means 1 upon T. P of F. P of means the PT. Okay, PT का Fourier transform form. So if you write it the way जो है PT, so the Fourier transform form. So PA mod of PF square. Summation of R n is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity R tau n. That is the R means R tau n. This is your autocorrelation function. So R tau n. So we have to find out R tau n here. We have to find out PF here. Now if you put PF value here and if you put R tau n value here, then you will get the power spectral density. From this expression, two things is unknown that we have to find out. First thing is the PF, the Fourier transform version of PT. That one, it's a standard form. We know that a pulse के लिए वो Fourier transform क्या होता है. Every time we know that pulse के लिए तुम जब Fourier transform करोगे, वो sync like function आ जाता है. In the signal system class, we also over there we have calculated it. If it is a pulse-like structure, then it will always give you in time frequency domain sync-like structure. Now it is a standard form, so easily we will get it. And now the R tau n means autocorrelation you have to find. But there is a beautiful relation between autocorrelation and the your average value, the expectation operator. R tau n, that is the autocorrelation, is equivalent to expectation